Hello, YouTube. Yeah, sorry, I had to flirt there, but anyways, I'm gonna show you something cool that I couldn't believe that this company made it. I'll give you a clue, but it's not what the radio related. Wait, give you a clue. The brand is blue. And I'm gonna go down the ground. 3, 2, 1. There it is. This is not what a radio. It is a RadioShack sound machine. Yeah, that's how the RadioShack made these. They just made radios and alarm clocks. Yep, I've seen a RadioShack alarm clock before. Sorry for clearing my throat a lot. It's just have them build up. I don't know why. It might be nighttime thing, but my throat is fine. I'm not sick, guys. I'm perfectly fine. You can tell if I am. I'll say in the mall number this if you guys are interested. Didn't get this for $6.98 actually. It was 50% off. Because, well, Thriftwood, so that's the Thriftwood I went to. They do a 50% off sale on random tags and random tag codes. And they also do a 98-cent sale also. It was green and orange. At the Thriftwood I went to, it was Thriftwood in Council Bluffs, Iowa. I recommend you going to it. It's a pretty cool one. I like that location a lot. I wish I could record Bristol for you guys, but it's because there's music in stores and also I don't feel like I should film. I don't film. But anyways, I'll tell you more number now on this RadioShack sound machine. I never really knew they had a more number to it. It's an interesting one. It is 63975. Yep. Can't really see it because the camera needs to focus. Focus, please? Is that a camera? But I said 63975 on there. It's a really small number for a sound. For a sound machine. And also, you notice I got like the dimmer or not dimmer, really. Yeah, let's say they are normal because here's why. I played with this thing last night and these are way too bright, so I had to turn them off. I had to just turn them on normal, so they wake me up for a severe one. But that one's is off. When you hear all the tones, let's do it. This thing's a little finicky, I'll tell you, so might not work on it because it's old. It had worked in the past, I'll just tell you that. But it's just super old that it's kind of finicky. These buttons are kind of finicky, I tell you. But the ocean one works, I tell you, and I was up to that all night. It did die on me in the night. I was real worried about it just shutting down. This thing is big and old. It's old that I think it's falling apart a little. Anyways, it works. There's rain. That was rain. Train. Ocean. Let's see what I mean. That's what I mean. How do we say it? How much is fun? So at night works, I'll tell you that. If I could get to work, I'll tell you later. I think I need to be quick with that one. Here again, the exact location. These breakfast are too. There we go. That's night. The tone that's fancy. And that's the timer. Switch. It says non-stop. 90 minutes. 60 minutes. 30 minutes. It should be in the order 30, 60, 90. 60 is in an okay place, but these two should have swapped. 30 and 90. And non-stop is okay where it is. Actually, non-stop should be right there. In the minutes is. Anyways, this video is getting too long than it's supposed to be. This is the code it comes with. It's built in. Anyways, that's it.